Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that.
CPR performed excellent and speedy repair on my Motorola Droid Turbo when the glass cracked. In fact, they got their repair parts in faster than they said they would. Their professionalism, knowledge, and courteous service made the experience easy and fun. I highly recommend CPR to anyone needing repair of a cell phone.
Let us help you with our excellent customer service as well as our years of knowledge and experience. Let our company earn your business. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen, and we hope to see you soon.